Survival, Muslim present nursing Gyan. Today we are discussing about disaster and its management. Definition of disaster is a serious problem occurring over a short or long period of time that causes widespread human, material, economic or environmental loss which exceeds the ability of affected community or society to cope using its own resources. This is the definition of disaster. Then disaster management. This is defined as organization and management of resources and responsibilities for dealing with all humanitarian aspects of emergencies, in particular preparedness, response and recovery in order to lessen the impact of disaster. Let's see the classification of disaster. It's mainly divided into the two, human and natural. In human disaster, they are classified under two, environmental and technological disasters. In environmental, there is a greenhouse effect, deforestation, uncontrolled town, planning megacities and drying lakes. In technological, the chemistry, the nuclear and oil spill, these are the causes. In natural disaster, it's mainly divided into the biological. It includes the epidemic, insect infestation and animal stampede. Animal stampede means all animals are running towards only one direction. The second one is geophysical. It includes the earthquake, volcano and mass movement dry. The third one is hydrological. It includes the flood and mass movement wet. The next one is climatological. It includes the extreme temperature, drought and wildfire. This is due to the climate change. And the last one in natural disaster is meteorological. It includes the storm. Next, principle of disaster management. First, prevent the occurrence of disaster whenever possible. Second, minimize the number of casualties if the disaster cannot be prevented. Principle, prevent the further casualties from occurring after the initial impact of disaster. Rescue the victim and provide first aid. Provide medical care to injured. Phases of disaster management. The disaster cycle divided into the three parts, that is after event, before event and the disaster. In before event there is a mitigation preparation, and in disaster it's actual event, and after event that is response and recovery. First phase, mitigation. It refers to action or measures that can either prevent the occurrence of a disaster or reduce the severity of its effect. Mitigation activities include the awareness and education and disaster prevention measures activities that reduce or eliminate a hazard. Risk reduction includes the immunization program and the public education. Second phase is preparedness. It includes the measure taken to prepare for and reduce the effect of disasters. It includes the activity to handle a disaster when it strikes. Activities includes the disaster preparedness plan, emergency communication plan, prevent the spread of disease outbreak and public education and awareness. Next phase, disaster impact and response. It includes the activities a hospital, healthcare system or public health agency take immediately before, during and after a disaster or emergency occurs. It includes rescue, first aid, field care, triage activation, referral services, cleaning debris and feeding and sheltering victims. Triage system includes the four colors red, yellow, green and black. High priority patient like chest wound, shock, fracture and burns comes in red. Medium priority patient like staple abdominal wound, eye and CNS injuries come in yellow. Ambulatory patient, that is minor burn, minor fracture and minor bleeding, comes in a green category. Dead and unresponsive patient comes in a black category. Fourth phase, disaster rehabilitation. Getting a community back to its pre-disaster status. Activities include debris removal, care and shelter, damage and funding assessment, emotional care, backup and restore. Severe impact of disaster. First, death, then severe injuries, communicable disease risk, increase the mortality, mental health, destruction of health infrastructure, damaged water supply and sanitation, food shortage, malnutrition, population movement and migration. Qualities of nurse working in disasters: confidence, cooperation, commitment, coordination, control, value of human life, strength and trust, interdependence and team spirit, accept self-criticism, toughness and sensitivity, leadership, responsibility and accountability. Role of a nurse in first phase, that is disaster mitigation: diagnose community disaster threats. Second, determine the actual and potential disaster threats. Preventive measures is being taken care for collaborative activities. Aware the people about community preparedness. Role of nurse in second phase, that is disaster preparedness: personal preparedness. It includes the following points: capacity building, readiness to work in the multidisciplinary team, knowledge about community types of disaster and its management, certified first aider and CPR knowledge about the policies and the protocol. After personal preparedness, second is a professional preparedness. It includes the following points: prepared the disaster preparedness written plan. It includes the control room and rapid response team. Second, license and health resources. And third, personal equipment such as stethoscope, flashlight, extra batteries, cash, warm clothing, heavy jacket, record keeping material and pocket size reference book. Role of nurse in third phase, that is impact and response. First, be in multidisciplinary team search, rescue and first aid. Distribution of work or delegation of responsibilities. Help to bring order and organization to a chaotic scene. It identifies and provides care to those who are in the greatest need. Help make the difficult decision easier. Assure that resources are used in the most effective manner. Role of a nurse in the fourth phase, that is rehabilitation. It includes the restoration of pre-disaster condition, surveillance and prevention of epidemic outbreak, water supply, food supply and safety control of vectors. Then vaccination, counseling and behavior modification, medical treatment and nursing care as per need. The next points are includes: seventh is the psychological support, life-saving measures, first aid, evacuation and supply of shelter, food, water and medicine, management of infection control, taking care of physical need and communicate with them. The last point is disaster management committee. It includes the following members. First is chairman. It may be the medical superintendent. The next is director. It may be the additional medical superintendent, nursing superintendent, chief nursing officer, chief medical officer of casualty. The head of department includes surgery department, medicine, orthopedics, radiology, anesthesiology and neurosurgery departments. Blood bank in charge, security officers, transport officers, sanitary personnel. These all are includes in the disaster committee. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel, that is Nursing Gyan. Like the video and press the bell icon for more notification. Thank you so much.